Hey there! Today I have another Infinitely LOFT to unbox for you. So I've been doing Infinitely LOFT for about 4.5 months now, and this is actually my 13th box. So that actually comes out to close to 3 boxes per month, and I haven't been necessarily the quickest in turning things around, so I think you can probably easily get 3 boxes per month. But if you're not familiar with Infinitely LOFT, it is an online clothing rental subscription service from Loft, and you get 3 items of clothing at a time for a flat monthly fee of about $65, and you're able to request unlimited boxes, but like I said, I've been getting about 3 boxes per month. One thing I would recommend you doing if you are trying out the service is to always do the return notify feature prior to sending your box back. And I've noticed that actually if you do that, even if you plan to wear the items within the next couple of days, it still makes sense to do the return notify as soon as you can so that they can start prepping your next box, and that'll just make the turnaround a lot faster. But anyway, I'll put some information in the description box below as to how Infinitely LOFT works, and I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of clothing rental subscription unboxings. Okay, so Infinitely LOFT always comes in a nice box like this, and here's what my box looks like inside. So you always do get a prepaid mailer to send your items back after you're done wearing them. And here's a peek at my bundle. Looks pretty good. Okay, this box looks like a lot of dark items. The way Infinitely LOFT works, you're basically just send items based on availability, but you put everything that you want in a closet. So my closet currently has 41 items, so that's where they'll select what they're going to send to me. But I don't really have any control over what items get sent at what time. Okay, so the first item in my box is this top, and this is a peplum top, and you'll see it's kind of pretty. It has like a gold print, so it's actually a little bit metallic. I think that's cute, and it's fully lined. So yeah, I like this. I think it's cute. It has kind of a high neckline. And this one, the buyout price is $21.50. That's a 60% off discount. And this one is called the Petite Floral Ruffle Peplum Shell in black, and I got the size medium petite. So one thing I really do like about Infinitely LOFT is they have a lot of petite sizes, so that's really good because I'm only 5'1", and they also have some really good buyout prices. So yeah, 60% off and $21.50 is a really good price for this. Okay, next I got this dress. And this is the Petite Gilded Button Flounce Pocket Dress in Forever Navy, and I got it in the size 6 petite, and the buyout price is $35.50, which represents 60% off retail. So yeah, so this is a very dark navy. It does have these shiny buttons, and it has pockets, and this kind of a ruffle bottom. So yeah, this is a more fitted style than I usually like to wear, but I kind of like this. I think this is nice. Hopefully it'll fit me. Yeah, actually I ended up I'm going back to my old job, which is a more business environment, starting tomorrow. So it's actually good that I'm still doing this Infinitely LOFT subscription. I had thought about canceling since I was doing Newly, but I missed the deadline, so I'm doing it for another month. But I really do like it, so I might just continue with the Infinitely LOFT, and I actually put Newly on hold. Okay, and lastly, I got this top. It's another peplum, and this one is a petite plaid peplum shirt in black, and I got it in the size petite medium, and my buyout price is $27, which represents 50% off retail. So I think this must be a newer item because it is a 50% discount, which is the smallest discount you'll get for Infinitely LOFT. But yeah, I think this is actually really cute, So everything is black or navy for this box. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Infinitely LOFT box this week. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top. And I really do like this. I think this is really cute and easy to wear, actually. It has a very cute print. I really like the gold detail, and just paired it off with a longer necklace. And I like that it's lined, so you don't have to wear anything like a tank top or camisole underneath. And I just have it paired with some black pants. And these are actually more straight leg cigarette pants. Actually, I got these from Uniqlo. And I've also, just to lengthen the line, I added some black wedges because this is kind of a longer length, so you want to balance it out with a longer length on the bottom. I'm doing some research, so I hope to have a video up one of these days about proportions. We'll see. And yeah, so I really do like this. I think this is very easy to wear, and definitely be wearing this week. Okay, so here's the dress. And actually, I do really like this dress. It's surprisingly comfortable. The fit, I think, is just right. And it has pockets, which is always a plus. I couldn't figure out what to wear as far as a necklace. I tried some different ones, but because of these buttons, I think it looks just fine plain, maybe. But yeah, I think it's kind of a flattering style. And yeah, I just have some tan heels, actually. I think because just to elongate the legs, you wear like some nude colored shoes, and I think that looks good. Because yeah, this is navy. So anyway, yeah, so I think this is cute. Very professional looking dress that I can wear to work. Okay, so here's the last top. And yeah, I like this. It's very flowy and comfortable. And yeah, easy to wear. And I just paired it with white jeans because I love white jeans. And I know it's after Labor Day, but I can't give them up. But I think it looks nice, and I just added a very simple Stella and Dot necklace. So yeah, I think this is another cute office look. Okay, so wow, I thought this was a really good box, probably one of my best yet, and I think I'm definitely going to be wearing all of these items this week. And what I think I'm going to be doing this time is I'll probably just go ahead and I'm going to do the return notify probably after I film this video, and just plan to wear the 3 items, one each day, and that way when I do mail it back, hopefully it'll speed up when they actually do mail out my next box. So yeah, because if I wait till after I wear the items, then it takes another 3 days or so for them to mail my next box. So yeah, I think doing the return notify even prior to wearing the items should speed it up. And also, as I always do, I'll link all the items in the description box below. I believe you can get everything on the actual Loft website, so I'll find the links and I'll put that all below. And Loft always runs sales, so even if you're not getting the same Infinitely Loft sale, there's usually some kind of sale going. And okay, so now I'm gonna get one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. And yeah, they're enjoying the air conditioning because it is, even though it's October, it's been really hot and muggy. So yeah, come on guys, who's gonna come? Oh, it's Kaya. Come Kaya, come. Okay, Sammy didn't even move, so here's Kaya. Say hello. And she just had a birthday last month and she turned 4 years old, but she's still just like a young dog. So she's got a lot of energy and she's very sweet and she loves everybody. Right, Kaya? Yeah. Okay. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I'm actually working on a video. I'm trying to do some research on style tips. So this video that I'm working on is how to use math to dress better. But we'll see. I'm still working on it and I'm still figuring it out because math was not my favorite subject in school, but I want to use math to dress better, so we'll see. But anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.